Well, at least 66 people have been killed in Nepal since Friday after persistent downpours triggered widespread flooding and landslides. Most of the deaths took place in the country's capital in Kathmandu Valley. Home to more than 4 million people, flooding closed major roads and disrupted domestic air travel. 3,000 rescue workers have been using helicopters and rubber boats to try and help people stranded on rooftops and elevated ground. Home Minister officials say another 69 people are reported missing and 60 injured. Well, here's what one local truck driver said about his experience with the floods.
Water gushed into the cabin of our truck at around 1 a.m. We jumped, swam, and got away from it. But my purse, bag, and mobile have been swept away. I have nothing now. We stayed the whole night in the cold.